Vehicle manufacturers use a simple technique to enhance the appearance of their special edition vehicles and elite models, from the classic GT stripe to modern design graphics and vinyls. These exclusive editions are used to separate premium models from their standard range vehicles. At Custom Stripes and Scrolls, we create original design decals to fit all makes and models. Our stripes are custom designed using CAD applications to match the unique panel contours of each particular model for a perfect fit and professional appearance. From muscle cars to luxury sedans, four-wheel drives, hatchbacks, SUVs and utilities. Designed for both private and commercial use, our product can be a valuable tool for car dealerships to feature their vehicles and promote sales. Our stripes can also be customized to include company names and text of your choice. Our stripes and decals are supplied ready to apply. Installation instructions are on our site. Most stripe kits are an easy DIY or use your own installer for peace of mind. Our product range also includes decorative scrolls for that classic look on trucks and floats. Our scrolls are supplied in packs of 8 or 10 in varying styles and colours. We use fleet-quality German-made films from Orifol, a trusted name in quality products. We ship anywhere in Australia with express postage options through Australia Post. Use the link in the description to visit our site and take advantage of a 10% discount using your coupon code. We look forward to hearing from you.